Hey, so if you're getting a lot of your Amazon international uploads rejected because it's not in the language of the target country, got a great feature for you. It's going to automatically translate all of your videos to the language of that country, not just in the captions, but actually dubbing your voice as well. And some people say don't use AI. Actually, Amazon's never had a strong stance about AI voices. They just recently put out a thing that says you have to mark it if you have an AI person. Of course, my software doesn't make you look like Donald Trump or anything like that, so you don't have to mark that. But this is going to make it much better and actually get some of your videos more likely to be approved in the country that you're targeting, because it's going to sound like their language as well. So going to the software, the way that you're going to enable this is going to go into settings right here, and then scroll down to where it says right here, where you have replace audio with an AI voice. And this is going to be a paid feature, it's not money that I'm getting, but through OpenAI. So you do need to get an OpenAI API key by clicking this link here. Once you log into that, you're going to click Create Secret New Key. Then from there, you're going to click Create Secret Key, copy that, bring the software back up, and paste it right there. Now, using OpenAI for voice generation is going to run through your credits a lot faster than just the captions. So you'll need to keep that in mind. I know for the captions, it was only costing a penny for like 33 videos if those videos average about 3 minutes. The voice is going to be a lot more than that. I don't have an estimate for you right now. I don't know what that's going to cost, but might just want to keep an eye on that and know how much you're spending there as you're making those videos. Now, you do have another option here for your voice. I'm going to use this one because it sounds most like me, but you can kind of Google those and see what they sound like first. And you have a setting here for whether it's going to be timing the voice according to the captions so that everything lines up, or it just kind of makes it fit within the video itself. The difference I found is that if you're trying to time it exactly to the captions, it doesn't sound the most natural because it's sped up sometimes depending on how many words or how many syllables are in the caption for that part of the video. Sometimes it's speeding up, sometimes it's slowing down. Whereas keeping this option off right here sounds more natural, but it doesn't always exactly line up with the captions. Personally, I'm going to keep it off just because it sounds better that way, in my opinion. I did add one more setting up here that you might want to be aware of, and that's that whenever you upload to international Amazon storefronts, it can be set as drafts first. That way you can review both the voice that it creates for it, and also the ASINs that are tagged there. Just gives you or your VA just a little bit more peace of mind before submitting that video and then having it go through the review process on Amazon's side. So I like to check it on. It does take away a little bit of the automatic nature of the process, but it does give you a little bit of peace of mind as well. So click Save Settings, and then I'm going to go into Selective Upload. Of course, it works through Run Now as well, but I'm just going to target this one that I found needs a video for Japan. I'm going to go into Choose Upload Destination via the drop-down next to Upload, and click on Japan and click Continue, and we're going to watch this do its thing. Of course, like always, it always makes sure that the product is available in that country first. Then it downloads the video, transcribes the audio first into English, and then it translates those captions into the language that you're targeting. And then using those new translated captions, it actually generates that new AI voice for you. After that's done, it'll burn the captions into the video. And then after all that, it will finally upload it to the target storefront. So it's not an instantaneous process, but of course, everything with my software, the goal is always to be hands-off. So yes, it takes time. We're up to about 6 minutes or so, and it only did that one video. And of course, if you're doing that same thing for several videos, it could take a little bit of time per video to get those uploaded. But that's the difference between uploading them to the international storefronts and then get rejected because it's in English, or being able to actually have it go through. So I want to show you real quick, because I set it to draft. If you click on Run Summary, you can see a link to your managed content. And that way you can actually go into it and be able to watch it and then also approve it and save it. So I'm going to just click on this video here. It's in the draft right now, and show you an example of what it will look like after that. さて、酸っぱいピクルスポップがあります。ロリポップでパッケージ化されています。素敵な小さな箱にとてもよく入っていて、 So not too bad, in my opinion. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. But you could always change the ASIN here at this point too if you have it in draft first. So I'm just going to save this, click submit, and that one's done. By the way, this run summary will also show you if there's a 404 and it can't find a product on a certain country, you can actually retag it just for the target country and resubmit it from this page too, making it just a little bit more useful. One more thing, I'm going to check out my credits. If you click on Manage OpenAI Credits and look at your API keys, you can see how much you've spent. And so far, that one says $0, so I'm not sure how much that video cost, but that way you can keep an eye on how much you're spending on your credits. So yeah, through this, hopefully we can upload our videos to more places and make a little bit more money. If I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.